Okay guys, adding mixed fractions. There are two ways that we can use when we are adding mixed fractions. So let's take the first one and see. So after we've gone through all the two, any of them which is good for you, then you choose. Okay, so let's take the first one. So the first one, we have 2 whole number 1/3 plus 1 whole number 2/5. With this, what we do first is we add the whole numbers. So it's going to be 2 plus 1. Then we add it to the fractions. 1/3 plus 2/5. So this is how it's going to be done. Then we work out the fractions. So we have the LCM, find the LCM of the fractions, which will be 15. Then 15 divided by 3, which will give us 5. Then multiply by the numerator, which will give us 5, plus then 15 divided by 5, which is 3, multiply by the 2, give us 6. So we have 2 plus 1, which is 3, plus, then we have 5 plus 6, giving us 11/15. So this gives us 3 times 5, 15, which is 45. We add it to 11, giving us 56/15. Since the question was given in mixed fraction, we convert it to mixed fraction, which will give us 3 whole number 11/15. So that is for the first one. Okay, now let's look at the second one. The second one is you convert each of the mixed fractions to improper fractions. So 3 times 2, 6. We add the numerator, which is 7, give us 7/3, plus 5 times 1, which is 5, plus 2, which will also give us 7/5. Then we find the LCM of the denominators, which is 15. Then 15 divided by 3, which is 5. Then we multiply the 5 by the numerator 7, which will give us 35, plus 15 divided by the 5 will give us 3. 3 times 7, which is 21. Then have 35 plus 21, which is giving us 56/15. Converting it back to mixed fractions, we have 3 whole number 11/15. These two methods can be used when adding mixed fractions or mixed numbers. They are the same. So the two of them which you think will be easier for you, you use. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe for more of such tutorials.